Hi everybody, hope you're staying warm. I know it's super cold outside for all of us right now. But there are a couple things that I wanted to share with you related to the online portion of the orientation, and then I'm also going to make sure that you have tools readily accessible to you from 10-star quality. So the first thing I want to help you understand is that as the instructor of the course, I do have the ability to go in to the course and see how much time everyone is spending. So I did a screenshot of just a particular random student, and you can see I'm able to see how many topics you've visited, how many times you have logged in, how much total time you've spent in the course, how many discussion posts you've read, how many threads you've created, and how many replies that you have posted. So there's a lot of content in each of these modules, and I know you're getting some content, good content from it, based on your journals and your discussions, but do remember that you're getting 3 hours of professional development for each module. So, for example, this person to date has spent about 4 hours in the course. That's over 2 modules, so it should really be more like 6. Now, granted, you may possibly be printing some stuff off and reading it while you're not online, but I don't think that's what happens the majority of the time. I think that most of the time the work is done while you're online. So just keep that in mind as we move forward, that in order to just maintain fidelity of what we're doing here, that the expectation is that you spend 3 hours a week on content, whether it's through the discussions, reading the content, the journals, that we're looking for 3 hours of content. All right? So also, on the first night of class, we talked about 10-star quality, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody is familiar with this site, and maybe that you would have some time to use the resources here. So I'm going to go up to the top, and when I hover over program information, the first thing under scoring tools, under program information, is scoring tools. So if we click on that, you can see there's a ton of information here, and everything that's in red you can click on and there's a document there for you. So in particular, I want to make sure that everybody knows that every August there are additional notes published for Tennessee. So if you're interested in doing well on assessment and you're using the rating scales, that Tennessee also publishes additional notes. So if you think you have everything that you need by just those books, that's not going to serve you very well. You've got to have these additional notes. And then here's more information, I hear people talking about forced participation a lot. So if you want to know more what that means, you would click on it, and then, here's a 1-page document on what that is and what it may not be, but what it looks like. There's the diapering process, sanitizing the table, lots of good information here, and then what's developmentally appropriate for each of these various age groups as well. So take some time and use this site. It's here for you to be used as a resource. And if you have any questions, just feel free to email me, and I will see you in class on Tuesday.